Welcome to Champaign Ford City. This is Todd bringing you another one of our F150 builds. This is a Superquake edition featuring the 705 horsepower Roush Supercharger. It's lowered with an IHC ride quality kit, which drops at 3 inches in the front, 5 in the rear. We have color matched the front and rear bumpers, the door handles, fender vents, and two-tone the front grille. So you've got the silver on the upper and lower and the gloss black in the center section. Again, this is a four-wheel drive truck. Supercharged 2022, iconic silver. Let's take a look at the inside. It's just like all the other trucks we do. It's got the split bench seat, Ford Performance door sill plates, power locks, mirrors, windows, heated mirrors. Got your electronic locking differential switch, your four-wheel drive selector, and your drive mode selector. Let's pop the hood and take a look. Just like all of our other trucks, we've tinted the windows and tail lights as well as the third brake light. Does have satellite radio, fog lamps, got the carpet on the interior. There's your Roush Supercharger. Like I say, 705 horsepower. 3-year, 36,000 mile powertrain warranty from Roush. So 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. The rest of the truck that is Ford components still has the 3-year 36 bumper to bumper. So your radio, air conditioner, those sort of things are all covered from Ford. Anything's modified, obviously Ford does not cover. The Roush Supercharger can be worked on at any Ford dealership in the country, which is nice. All right, 22-inch Nitto wheels, gloss black too, I forgot to mention that. So it's the same wheel. I just released this video a little while ago. Same wheel, just different color. That's a gunmetal. And that's on a dark blue two-wheel drive we just finished up as well. All right. Once again, appreciate everybody watching. I'll get a link posted. Pricing, this one is $68,990. It's four-wheel drive. Sticker price was about $4 grand more than the two-wheel drive from Ford. So that would be why this one is $4 grand more than the two-wheel drive. Appreciate everybody watching. Take care.